Find the coordinates of the points that divides the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So here we have the line segment AB, the coordinates of A known to us, the coordinates of B also known to us. Now the line segment AB is divided into 4 equal parts, which means we need to take 3 points on the line segment AB so that it is divided into 4 equal parts. So let the points P, Q and R divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. The 4 equal parts are AP, PQ, QR and RB. So since these segments are equal, AP is to PQ is to QR is to RB is equal to 1:1:1:1. Now with this we have to find the coordinates of the points P, Q and R. First let's find the coordinates of the point Q. Q is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Why? See this? How much is AQ? 2 parts. And what about QB? 2 parts. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. AQ is 2 parts. QB is also 2 parts. Which means AQ is to QB is 2:2, which is 1:1. Clearly, Q is the midpoint of AB. So, apply the midpoint formula and find the coordinates of the point Q. So, how does it go? The coordinates of the x coordinate of Q will be like x1 plus x2 by 2, and the y coordinate of Q y1 plus y2 by 2. To find the coordinates of Q, we need to use the coordinates of the endpoints A and B, because Q is the midpoint of AB, the line segment AB. So use the coordinates of A and B to find the coordinates of Q by using the midpoint formula. And we have here the coordinates of Q 0, 5. So now that we found the coordinates of Q, we can find the coordinates of P. Again, P is the midpoint of AQ, because AP is to PQ is 1:1. Clearly, P is the midpoint of AQ. So see here, how do we find the coordinates of P? Since P is the midpoint of AQ, we know the address of A and we have found the address of Q. So using the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2. So this is x1 plus x2 because these are the coordinates of Q. So x1 plus x2 by 2. You can see it here. And the y coordinate of P will be y1 plus y2 by 2. So that gives us the coordinates of P minus 1, 7 by 2. Again, R is the midpoint of QB, because QR is 1 part, RB is 1 part. So QR is to RB is 1:1, which means R is the midpoint of QB. So we already found the coordinates of the point Q. We know the coordinates of the point Q. We have the coordinates of the point B. R is the midpoint of QB. So use the coordinates of Q and B to find the coordinates of R using the midpoint formula. So see here, we have the coordinates of Q here. x1 plus x2 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2 will be the x coordinate of R. And y1 plus y2 by 2, 5 plus 8 by 2 will be the y coordinate of the point R. So we have the coordinates of R here 1, 13 by 2.